All right, creeps, here's what's next. We're going to create a paneling detail on this wall. It's very DIY friendly, pretty straightforward. It's pretty much just 1x4s for the most part. It's a really simple way to introduce some architectural detail into a room or on one wall as an accent wall. Also give you a place to maybe introduce some new colors into a room. Okay, so first, what material we're going to use. This is pretty much all going to be 1x4s. We'll have a piece horizontally at the top here, and we'll have verticals spaced throughout. And then at the bottom, you could use a 1x4, you could use a 1x6, you could stack moldings to try to match the baseboard that's in the room, shoe molding, whatever. There's a lot of options. We'll talk about a couple of them later. Now for this example here, I want to start this paneling right at the end of the wall. We're going to come through here, we're going to go around this corner, and it'll die right into this wall right here. And as far as the spacing goes, what I would like to do is have a full trim board vertically here, a full trim board vertically here, and I would like the rest of them spaced evenly throughout. Now down here on this end, I'm going to temporarily pin one of these 1x4s right into place. Now like I said, down here on this corner, this trim board is going to wrap the corner. Ultimately this will be mitered really nice, but for now I just tacked two pieces together in this shape so that when I hold this in place, this accounts for the amount of overhang that I need to go down the wall. So now we have the ends established, and as I mentioned, I want them to be equally spaced between going down this wall. So we're going to take a measurement from the center of this trim board to the center of that trim board. So that center to center dimension for me over there was 69.5 inches. Now 16-inch spacing is the ideal spacing for me. So I do that quick math here, and that came out to 4.34. Now you have a decision to make here. You can divide this space up equally into 4 parts, and your spacing will be a little bit more than 16 inches, or you could go up to 5 equally spaced sections on the wall, and that number will go below 16 inches. I don't really want to go below 16 inches. I think I'm just going to go with 4 evenly spaced battens. So we'll do this again, 69.5 inches. This time we're going to divide by 4, and the answer that we get there is 17 3/8 inches. So 17 3/8 is going to be our center to center to center to center mark for our layout. 17 3/8 center to center is going to be the same as 17 3/8 from the right edge to the right edge to the right edge. So what I'm saying is you can hook a tape measure right on the right edge and make a mark 17 3/8, draw a vertical line, go to the left of it, that'll be your spacing. And now that we have that initial layout done, we can get some material, and next time we can start to nail some stuff up.